How to open a Chick-Fil-A account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have downloaded Chick-Fil-A application on your mobile phone. Now just launch it. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner and simply tap on Login. Now once you're here on this page, just tap on the option of Sign Up. Now you have to create your account. So let's start by entering our name. Okay, here we go. Now enter your email address. Now simply create a password for your account. And at last, tap on Sign Up. Now you can see that you have successfully created a Chick-Fil-A account for yourself. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.